Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best Broan range hoods on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Broan NuTone 413023 Ductless Range Hood. This product comes with a charcoal filter which can be replaced. And it is very helpful in capturing grease. You can then replace it to maintain efficiency. Although this is non-duct, the filter makes it equally efficient, and you would not have any complaints at all. Paired with it is incandescent lighting, which will make sure that you do not have to cook in the dark. This one comes with a protective lamp lens, and you can attach a 75-watt bulb to it. The lens will distribute the light evenly over your entire cooktop. Coming to the fan, we love the fact that its speed could be adjusted according to our needs. There are 2 modes to shift between, and a rocker switch will help you do that easily. Also, it is almost noiseless, and you will not have any issues with it. Someone sleeping in the next room will not be disturbed by its light sound. Pros: efficient charcoal filters remove odor and smoke. Beautiful black finish. Can be installed easily at home. Option to switch between 2 fan speeds. Cons: not for professional use. Number 2. Our second best pick is Broan NuTone F403004 Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. The product comes with 4-way convertibility, which means that you will be able to use it in any way. This includes using it in horizontal and vertical 3.25 into 10-inch duct, non-duct, or 7-inch round vertical duct opening forms. Coming to user-friendliness, the filter that this product has can be used with a dishwasher, and you do not have to wash it by hand. This will save a lot of time and effort in the process. Further, the noise level is completely under control as the motor is well lubricated. A lubricated device makes very little sound and is also easy to maintain. We have been using it for months now, and the efficiency remains the same. There is no fume or odor detected in the kitchen when it is turned on. Also, like the previous device, this one comes with a protective lamp lens which diffuses the light and allows it to spread all over the stove. Pros: lamp lens for efficient light distribution. Comes with a damper and aluminum filter. Sports 4-way convertibility. Removes smoke and odor quickly. Cons: installation process is time-consuming. Number 3. Our third best pick is Broan NuTone 403004 Insert Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen with a good ventilation system, then this will be a great choice. It works at 6.5 sones and 160 CFM and will easily fit under cabinets. The air quality has vastly improved inside the house, thanks to this. Secondly, the product is known to remove grease and polluted air from the house efficiently. It is very quick at it, and you just have to wash the aluminum mesh filter to maintain its efficiency. A dishwasher will do the job for you, and we would suggest doing this every 2 weeks. But it also depends on the amount of cooking that you do. Moving on to the safety features, this one is HVI 2100 certified and UL listed, and that makes it very safe to use. Do not worry at all about the chimney causing any issues as it is known to be durable too. Pros: 2-speed fan. Captures grease easily. Lightweight at 112 pounds. Sufficient lighting. Cons: packaging was inefficient. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Broan NuTone 423004 Under Cabinet Range Hood. We love the combination of overhead light and an exhaust fan that this product offers. It is an excellent and versatile addition to the kitchen space and will provide you with ample illumination. We did not need any external source of light at night, thanks to this. And the lamp lens diffuses the light while spreading it evenly all around. Now coming to cleaning, like most of its peers, this one is made for easy cleaning as you can clean the aluminum mesh filter in a dishwasher. Other than this, wipe the surface every few months to clean the layer of grease on its outside surface. It is easy and will not take you long. Adding to the convenience, this is ADA compliant and can be used in most places easily. Pros: lightweight at 16 ounces. Dishwasher safe mesh filter. ADA compliant. Features 2-speed fan. Cons: no damper provided. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Broan NuTone BCSD 130SS Glacier Range Hood. The feature that stands out here is its efficient lighting. Its 2-level halogen bulbs provide ample light, and you can easily see the entire cooking area. In fact, the light floods the cooking area, so if you are into making cooking videos, this one is a perfect choice. Secondly, it works at 250 CFM and is very effective in driving out smoke and odor. The product looks slim and compact but is extremely efficient in dealing with heavy cooking. We have been using it for a few months now, and there have been no issues with it. Also, it is equipped with dual mesh filters that are dishwasher safe and can be cleaned easily. The dual filter enables the machine to soak up more grease, leaving your kitchen furniture clean and free from oil stains. Lastly, it is super quiet and will not cause any disturbance to anyone. You can cook at night too and bring out the hidden chef in you. Pros: sports a contemporary design. Space for 2-level halogen bulbs. Dual aluminum filters. Hidden on/off switches to maintain a clean look. Cons: body catches stains. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.